Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and today's tutorial we're diving into how you can use this Google AI as you see into my screen that offers powerful tools for you to help you to improve the quality of your content, the quality of your video that I'm going to share and show to you guys how I ask Google AI to give some advice or feedback about video that I'm creating right now before I upload it to my YouTube channel. This means that you get valuable insights on how your video is performing and areas where you might improve or change by asking Google AI. So stay tuned as we go through the process so you can start leveraging AI to enhance your content creation journey. This is a free tool, so you don't need to pay anything or buy subscription. You can use this Google AI Tool Studio in your video creation. So without any further ado, let's do this. Alright, so now we are here in Google AI. I'm going to show you guys how you can use this for your project or anything that you needed any assistance like we're doing in ChatGPT. So this is my first time using this Google AI, and once you log into Google, you will see just type a Google AI. Okay, first go to Google and type Google AI Studio. Okay, so there you go. So just click this one. And now here is the site or the page of your Google AI. So we're not creating a prompt, and what I want to show you guys is the way the thing that I did is I'm creating a video and I want the Google AI to analyze it regarding the topic or the scenes that I might need to change or something. So I went here to stream real time, so just click this one and there you go. You can talk to Gemini if you want to. You can show to Gemini what you're doing, or you can share your screen so that they can see what you are working on. So since I'm working on my storytelling video, I choose to share to screen so that AI or Google AI can see what I need to improve or change about my video. Alright, so to do that, you just click share the screen, and there you go. You will see click the entire screen so that you can share the entire screen of you. Okay, click this one, and then
it sounds
share.
Sure, I understand. I see a screen with the Google AI Studio interface. It looks like you are about to share your screen. Would you like me to describe what is happening on the screen in more detail?
Alright, so I am creating a video about storytelling for kids, and I want to show you my video so that you can tell me what I need to add or if I'm missing something regarding my story video for kids. Are you ready to watch the video?
Yes, I am ready to watch your video about storytelling for kids. Please feel free to share it with me, and I will do my best to give you feedback on what you have and what you could add.
All right, thank you so much. So first thing is I did is I went to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to create a short story for kids about You're Not My Friends, the title of this story. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to ChatGPT just to show you the story.
Okay, I see that you're showing me the ChatGPT interface with a story titled, You're Not My Friends. It appears to be about some children playing in a kitchen and learning about kindness and saying sorry. Is this the short story you want me to review?
Yes, correct.
Okay, I see that the story is about three friends who have a disagreement over building blocks, then they play in the pretend kitchen, and one friend stomps away after another disagreement. The title of the story is, You're Not My Friends. Do you want to show me more of the video?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go to CANVA and I created an animation for this. So here is the video. Now I'm here in CANVA, and for the first scene, I'm gonna play these ones for you to hear it, and just let me know your feedback. All right?
All right, I see you have switched to CANVA and are now showing me an animation of the story, You're Not My Friends. The animation depicts the three children playing with blocks, then playing in a pretend kitchen. It seems that the animation matches the script you showed me earlier from ChatGPT. I will look at the animation carefully and provide feedback.
All right, so I'm gonna play the video and let me know your input, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right,
Please play the video, and I'll give you my input.
okay, so here is the first scene.
Friendship is one of the most important things we learn about when we're little. Sometimes, though, we might say or do things that hurt our friends without meaning to. In today's story, we'll meet Emma, Max, and Lily.
Okay,
Three
I've heard the
preschoolers.
first part of the video, and I think it's a good introduction, explaining the importance of friendship, and that even friends can sometimes hurt each other without meaning to. I like that it sets up the story by telling me who the characters are, Emma, Max, and Lily. Okay, I understand that you created an animation story using Canva, and now you'd like my feedback on it. What specific feedback would you like from me?
So I'm thinking about, is it okay that I created some lip sync with this animation, or I just do the narration and just animate the character? What do you think is the best thing?
Okay, you're wondering if it's better to use lip sync with the animation or to just do a narration and animate the characters.
Correct.
Okay, it sounds like you're asking if you should animate the character's mouth to match the dialogue, or just use narration and animate the character's actions. Is that right?
Yes.
Got it. Both options are valid, and the best choice depends on your overall vision for the animation. Lip syncing can add a layer of realism and engagement, but it also requires more time and effort. If you want to focus on the character's actions and the overall story, narration with less mouth movement might be a good choice too. If I had to pick one, I think lip syncing would make the animation more engaging, but again, both options are perfectly valid. Ultimately, it depends on the style you prefer.
All right, thank you. All right, so do you think this is okay that I just created a little bit of lip sync, some narration with the narrator?
Yes, I think that sounds like a good approach. Using a combination of lip sync and narration can give you the best of both worlds.
All right, thank you for that.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Can you tell me what are the other things that I can add into this story for kids?
Okay, some other things you could add to your kid's story include music or sound effects to create a certain mood. You could also add transitions between scenes to make it more visually interesting. Also, you could include interactive elements to encourage engagement. For example, you could add a sound effect when a character jumps, or music that changes with the mood of the scene. You could also add a quiz at the end to test the viewer's comprehension. Ideas. What kind of tone or message are you hoping to convey with the introduction?
Oh, I just want to let them know that this is a story about morals. I just want to create some introduction or talking head about the title of this story, You're Not My Friend.
Okay, it sounds like you want the talking head to introduce the story and hint at the moral lesson, using the title, You're Not My Friend, as a starting point.
Correct.
You could have the... Okay, how about something like this? Hi, everyone. Get ready for a story about friendship and feelings. It's called You're Not My Friend. Let's see what happens. Does that fit the tone you are looking for?
Oh, thank you for that. Okay, maybe you can add more for kids to understand what is the story all about.
Okay, so you would like to add more elements to make it easier for kids to understand the story. You could use simpler language in the narration or speech bubbles. Also, you could add visual cues or symbols to represent emotions or ideas. That could make it easier for kids to understand what the story is all about.
Okay, I got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Feel free to ask if you need any more help.
All right, thanks. All right, so now guys, as you see, that's how we can use these AI tools, Google AI Studio. If you wanna, to talk about your video or you're creating something, and you can add, you can ask them some other things that you need to add or you're missing on your video creation. You can ask him to create a talking head for your video if you don't have any idea on what to say before you play the video, and the closing message for your video, what it's all about. You can ask Google AI to create for you. This is how you can use the stream real time by choosing which one of these that you wanted to interact with this AI, using text, using voice, using video, or screen sharing. And that wraps up for today's tutorial, guys, on using Google AI to analyze your videos. And I hope you found this guide helpful, and I'm excited to try it out for yourself. So Google AI is an amazing tool, and that can take your video content to the next level. So don't wait to give it a try, okay? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know, guys, down in the comments how Google AI worked for you, or if there's anything that you'd like me to cover, just let me know, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.